Many of us seldom think about the septic system. Most systems are silent and hidden beneath the ground. But these devices are one of the most important parts of our homes. They carry pathogens and other wastes away from our homes and families, all the while returning valuable nutrients and water to the soil. On-site wastewater treatment systems are often far more sophisticated than most people imagine. They consist of both pre-treatment and land application components, and there are many options for each component. Today, we will focus on subsurface drip dispersal as one method of land application. Subsurface drip dispersal systems are ideally suited for recycling wastewater into the landscape. In this application, drip tubing is buried into the soil root zone, delivering water and nutrients directly to landscape vegetation. Drip dispersal systems can be used in most site conditions, including shallow soils, slightly permeable soils, and on sites with complex topography. These systems spread wastewater uniformly over the entire area and control the application rate using engineered drip emitters. This controlled release of water allows the tubing to be placed across the slope of a site and facilitate relatively uniform application of wastewater. Subsurface drip systems generally consist of 5 components: a pre-treatment device, pump tank, filtering device, control system, and drip dispersal system. Several pre-treatment devices are available, including septic tanks, aerobic treatment units, sand filters, recirculating media filters, and constructed wetlands. Each of these options will result in a different level of wastewater treatment. The amount of treatment in this phase will directly affect the requirements and selection of the remaining components. Effluent leaving the pre-treatment device is stored in a pump tank until it is ready to be dosed into the drip field. Typically, a high-head pump pushes the water through the filtration device and into the drip dispersal system. A control system monitors the operation of the system and doses the wastewater into the field. The system removes large particles that cannot pass through the drip emitters. Filtration can be accomplished with products ranging from a simple, manually cleaned filter to an elaborate, multi-filter, automatic backwashing system. The complexity of the filtration system depends on the quality of the effluent entering the drip tubing and the reliability of the pre-treatment system. For example, the filtration system following septic tank pre-treatment will need to remove a large quantity of solids and be a more elaborate, self-cleaning system. Filtration following sand filter pre-treatment will have minimal solids to remove and can be a manual cleaning system. The subsurface drip dispersal field consists of a supply line and manifold, drip laterals, air relief valves, and a return manifold and line. Effluent leaving the filtration system passes through the supply line and into the drip laterals. Air contained in these laterals exits the emitters and the air relief valve. The drip laterals are constructed of drip tubing approved for use with wastewater. The tubing is generally 1/2 inch in diameter with an emitter in the tubing wall. The pressure inside the tubing is generally operated at 15 to 20 pounds per square inch, with the water exiting the emitter at 0 pressure. Periodically, the drip laterals are flushed by passing effluent through the drip field and back to the pre-treatment device.